Ready to conquer the credit building marathon? Listen up. Building credit is like training for a race. It's a slow and steady journey. Now, let's lace up those financial sneakers and explore some strategies to keep you motivated and sprinting towards that credit finish line. First, set achievable goals. Think of them as your personal milestones. Small wins that lead to the ultimate victory. Whether it's paying off a credit card or consistently making timely payments, celebrate those wins. Next, track your progress. Picture it like a fitness app for your credit journey. Regularly check your credit report and score to see how far you've come. It's like seeing your running times improve, a visual boost to keep you on track. Now stay disciplined. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon, remember? Create a budget, stick to it, and resist the urge for impulse spending. Discipline is your fuel for the credit building marathon. Lastly, surround yourself with a supportive community. Share your goals with friends or family. It's like having a cheering squad at every mile. Plus, consider seeking advice from financial professionals who can be your credit coaches. That advice is us. Discover the benefits of Dispute Panda.